Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So we're still very much in this little channel, downward channel, bearish channel, and at the same time we're also sideways. It does look like a lot of consolidation still, but I think it's still sit and wait. So oscillators are starting to group to the downside, which would indicate a buy. And if you look at the 4 hour as well, we sort of bounced a couple of times off the bottom here, but nothing really materializing, no diversions forming. Nothing really indicating that this downward trend that we're in is over. So it does look like we are still drifting lower. I think 30,000 is probably going to be the area that we're going to try and retest again, and we're just grinding lower and lower and lower until we get to that. So one thing that you can do, Ichimoku, especially on the 4 hour, you can see we spoke about this a couple of weeks ago where we had the break, expecting a retest and a continuation. That failed into the cloud, which indicates range, but at the moment we are below the cloud, and Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen are in a bearish fashion at the moment. So 3 levels you need to watch for here on the 4 hour. And firstly, Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen need to cross over, point up. Okay, then you have Chikou span here, which is this dotted line. That needs to get above price, so that needs to be sort of above the highs of price. And this cloud needs to start switching to green. That's the only time that you're going to start looking for opportunities when you're looking at Ichimoku. So the other thing that I'd like to do here is just go down to the 2 hour, no lower than that, which will give me some indication of what's going on. And you can see at the moment, still very bearish. So I'd be wanting to see the same kind of settings as I just spoke about now on the 2 hour. And just to give you some context to that, here is a typical consolidation break, retest, and then you can see once we switch again here, you can see above price, blue above red, cloud is green. It's one-way traffic in a trend. Okay, so for me at the moment, there's nothing really going on. Sit quietly, and I think basically let it play out at the moment. There's nothing really that we can talk about here. This channel is the key to all of this right now, and there's nothing you can do at the moment to try and force it. So anyway, sit on hands. So yeah, that's it for me. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.